Now Chhattisgarhi Samaj. One after another I am going there. Chhattisgarhi Samaj. Okay. So we had, please keep it. When I tell you to move, they will move.
But quickly.
Yeah, it's interesting, you know. So what we have this spiritual gathering in Chhattisgarhi Samaj, and in fact, no connection with any authority so called. If they claim that you can have the access to us, no, we are independent. We want to work for Baba's mission from the gross level. So they are doing it. And this was DMS in Chhattisgarh, organized by the Samaj. Okay, move forward. And now Vidarbha Samaj. This year, Vidarbha Samaj did a lot of the work. And they demonstrated in parliament, before the parliament, that we want a separate state. We don't want exploitation anymore. We don't want subjugation anymore. Our language should be recognized. So they stated that. Okay. Vidarbha Samaj, the separate demand they will. Okay, move further. And these are the newspaper, the public news. Okay. And this is Amra Bengali. I could collect a very little, I am sorry to tell. This is Amra Bengali, the sister and the brothers, they raised this slogan about the agriculture. Agriculture issues are there, how the agriculturists are being exploited. So there is it. Okay, move forward. And this is Maghi Samaj. Maghi Samaj is also registered as a political party. Very recently they did it. They contested this election and they are publishing. And Patna, where Baba was in jail, comes in Maghi Samaj. So they are organizing now, and Baba has written much more about the Maghi. You know, it is the base of cultural revolution. Baba said intellectual revolution. Long back, even Nalanda University was established there. So Baba is very particular about Maghi, about Angika, about Bhojpuri, Chhattisgarh, Amra Bengali, Maithili, you know. Okay, this is the magazine they are publishing. Only just another 5-6 minutes. And then this is Maghi Samaj. They met there in front of the jail on 12th of February, and Baba was given poison. And then from morning to evening, they stayed in dharna there. Okay, this too. And this is now Tamil Samaj. Tamil is a part of South India. We have 4 Samajas in South India. So this is, and the Proud training camp was there. I went there, I myself gave the training, and now they are working. They want to have their own building and Proud. So they are working in that. Okay? This is a master unit of Tamil. We have took care that building is there, and we are developing more than 500 coconut trees and other that is being maintained self-sufficient. It's good. This is Kannada Samaj. Okay, move forward. This is Kannada Samaj, and today I received one message from Ganesh Bhatt, who met Baba and resigned from the post of regional director of bank and working for Proud, and now he is organizing around 100. He has sent me the photo this morning. I saw in my email. He wanted to present it, but I could not do it because now he is organizing the agriculturist and declaring and demanding at the same time that agriculture should be declared as industry, organized industry. By agriculturists, they are being, subjugated. They are being harassed. Their dues, what they need is not being taken care of. So then Malayali Samaj. Okay, I was there, and one of the leading the spiritualist also was invited, and it was a very good presentation about Proud. I did there, and everybody liked, and that I was talking about the women, who is an acharya now, local acharya. She is doing a fantastic work there in Malayali Samaj. Okay, this is the Sayadri Samaj. Please move forward. And this is, we have our own building in Selu, we call it in Bombay. We constructed it by expending around 4 million Indian rupees, and really it's very good. And we are starting our activities there. We have already started. We are publishing also the Marathi magazine monthly in there. Then the Punjabi, Asi Punjabi. Okay, Asi Punjabi is also working very hard, and they decided to publish all the books of Anand Marga, first proud in Asi Punjab, means Punjabi language. Okay. Then Haryanvi Samaj. Look here, this Haryanvi Samaj means Delhi comes in Haryanvi Samaj. Baba says no cosmopolitan city is a concept of proud. All has to come under one Samaja. So Delhi is also under the Haryanvi Samaja. Okay, so they contest the election in Haryana. Okay, please move forward. Then Anand Purnima we had this celebration in Haryanvi Samaja. You move so fast. Look here. You know, this is what they